Hello everyone. In recent times, we might have heard people saying we are on diet, we cut down on carb intake, we don't eat rice because of diet, and many things like that. But cutting down carbs and restricting our body from getting the required amount of carbs and proteins and required amount of food intake which has been adapted by our body for a quite a long time is not favorable. For an instance, today let me explain you about what is the importance of carbs. Why is it very much important for a person to take it every day in and day out? So let me speak about why carbohydrates are very important. Why should we not avoid carbs in our daily lives? The body's primary source of energy and the brain's preferred energy source is carbohydrates. Carbs are broken down by the body into glucose, a type of sugar. Glucose is used as fuel by your body's cells, tissues, and organs. When your body doesn't get adequate carbs, it looks for another energy source, breaking down the protein in your muscles and body fat to use as energy. And glucose is a very significant resource for the brain, which can't easily use other fuel sources like fat or protein for energy. While carbs are most known for providing energy, and some also help in promoting digestive health also. The microbiome is an enormous collection of microbial organisms that live on and in your body, most of them within the gastrointestinal tract or gut. So when the adequate carbs intake doesn't happen in the body, all these get disturbed. So the normal flow of digestion gets disturbed, and there is a disturbance in gut also, which leads to lot of issues like gastritis and weakness sometimes, because without glucose much of your energy levels are dipped. That is the reason many of the times we say when the diabetic people feel low on diabetes, give sugar immediately, because sugar is a immediate booster, I can say. I would request you not to cut down on carb intake. Whatever kind of diet we are following, I would suggest please don't forget our ancestral routine, because most of us are Indians. We would have set our bodies in such a trend line wherein our body would have got adapted to a certain trend of eating pattern. When we try to follow diet of modern times and do not give importance to certain intake of foods, with or without knowing, our body starts reacting in a reversal manner, and it leads to health issues in a certain period of time. So I would request you to eat everything that you've been eating from your birth till now, but eat in a certain eating pattern, eat in a certain eating window which doesn't disturb your diet nor disturb your intake nor make you feel guilt. So please concentrate on eating pattern, mainly eating window. Don't try to eat on a very frequent manner, that is frequent intake of meals, please avoid. For further more clarifications and customized diet plans which do not affect your normal routine, please call me.